I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble logging into the Robinhood app, follow these steps to get back into your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the app from loading properly. Step 2. Update the app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Robinhood app installed. Outdated apps can lead to login issues. Go to your app store and check for updates. Step 3. Reset your password. If you're still unable to log in, try resetting your password. Use the Forgot Password link on the login screen to receive a reset email. Step 4. Clear app cache. Sometimes clearing the app's cache can resolve login problems. Go to your device settings, find the Robinhood app, and select Clear Cache. Note, on some devices, you may need to tap storage first before seeing the Clear Cache option. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Robinhood's customer support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot your specific issue. I hope these steps help you log back into your Robinhood account smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.